when God will restore true Israel. It's coming. We have God, and of course we have Israel. But we have Gentiles Let's see what's going on. God is going to restore true Israel. So, somehow, God is going to restore the true Israel, because we know there's also a fake Israel in the land right now as we speak. So, the way God's going to restore Israel is going to be done by a covenant. Covenant between God and his people. By the time being, we also know the Gentiles are ruling because God gave them how long time? 2,000 years. So God gave them 2,000 years to rule over the world. And how did they get to this? Because of Deuteronomy 28. Deuteronomy 28 tells us God warned his people, you follow my ways, I will be your God, and you will be my people. We know what happened. The people of Israel rejected God, saying we can do everything on our own. God told them, all right, it's written. Deuteronomy 28. That's how the Gentiles came into the picture. Right, so we know in 70 AD, the Gentiles destroyed Jerusalem. That was in 70 AD when the Romans destroyed Jerusalem. So when God is going to restore true Israel, what's going to happen? Number one, no more lies. Lies will be done away with. No more lies. Number two, people will commit to do the will of God. Everybody will be doing the will of God, willing to do the will of God, because this is going to be a covenant God is going to have with his people. And of course, everyone is going to know now this is the time we have to follow the ways of God. This is going to be beautiful and glorious because we know the entire world will be in agreement with God's people. So here you have the entire world will be in agreement with God's people, because the God's people will put the word of God forth once again. So all the people around the world are going to come to the understanding of the word of God and follow the ways of God, because true Israel is going to be in charge once again. We know this will last for 1,000 years, when the people will be put right with God. So people will have to be put right with God for 1,000 years. That means righteousness is going to be ruling over the people, because the Christ, Yeshua HaMashiach, will be with us. This is what it's about. The Christ will be ruling with his people, and this process is going to take 1,000 years before the end of the end will come. During those 1,000 years, we know the truth will reign supreme. Will reign supreme. No more lies, because everyone will be afraid of telling the lies. No more censorship. No more lies. No more lies. And finally, the world will be at peace. Once for all and forever. Thank you very much for watching. May God bless you. Shalom, shalom, shalom.